Welcome back to the Wireless Expert, helping you save money on your phone bill, avoid unexpected fees, and get the most out of your wireless services. Let's get started. So a question that I see a lot is, should I have insurance? Should I get insurance? And this is, a little complicated question because it's not a yes or a no. It really depends on your particular situation and what you got going on. For example, if you just got a new phone, then I do recommend having insurance because it's a brand new phone and you never know, if you need to fix it, soon, or if something were to happen to it, that's, you just definitely want to get that, insured and be able to get it replaced or fixed, So within the first year of getting a new phone, I do think that everyone should have insurance, maybe for that first year and a half. So let's talk about if you don't have insurance. Let's talk about that route, and the phone is kind of new, okay? You've had it for maybe under a year, maybe a year. So in that particular situation, what would happen if you don't have insurance and you just had it for maybe not even a year? Or some people, something happens to their phone right away and they never even got insurance on it. Now you're kind of stuck paying for those installments and you can't use the phone. So that, that's crazy because you're still having to pay that phone off, but you don't, it's damaged or something happened to it and you don't have insurance. You never added insurance. So, the companies are still going to want you to pay for that phone, the $1,000 phone, whatever it is, So that first, year, I do recommend having it. If you guys have a account that has multiple people, then definitely, try to have it just to cover, there's bundles when it comes to insurances. But let's talk about like a situation where now you've had the phone for maybe like 2 years and then you're pretty much almost done, paying it off. You maybe have a couple $100 left with it on it, and you kind of want to save some money. In that particular scenario, when it comes to the phone insurance claims and those deductibles, they cost around $200 to $300 to replace a phone. So if you're thinking like, geez, this insurance is killing me, I'm trying to save on my bill. Well, if your phone, you don't have much left to pay on it, and you've taken good care of it, you probably haven't filed an insurance claim, or maybe you have, but it's not that often, you still have it, and you've managed to pay most of it off, then you might consider removing the insurance after 2 years. You know what I mean? Because if something were to happen to your device, then you can, at that point, maybe just pay whatever is left on it, $200, instead of paying $275 or $250 for a replacement phone. At that point, you can just, like I said, pay something on it to pay off the phone, and then just upgrade to a new one. That's something that you could save some money on, and then just get a new deal with a new phone. There's a lot of great deals. But then the other thing you have to consider too are your own type of, habits and behaviors. You know yourself pretty well, and you have to kind of like see, would I be a person that even needs insurance? Or do I just have it because I'm supposed to? You know what I mean? You have to look at your own behaviors, or your family's behaviors at that point. Do you think they might need it? If they're younger, then yes, you're probably thinking, yeah, they're young, they're a little, chaotic, and they're just living fast. If you have young kids in the account, then you might want to get insurance for them, which would be cheaper than having the big bundled insurance for yourself and everyone included, when some people wouldn't need it. And so only maybe only just one person needs it. And there's a cheaper insurance just covers that person. You know what I mean? So you have to look at all the people's behaviors and see what's the possibility of something happening to their phone, or the history of their, track record with their phones. Have they needed insurance in the past? That type of thing. And then make decisions based on that type of thing. But so it's not a simple answer. I do recommend having it. If your account is pretty big, you can there's bundled insurances that really help. So I hope that helps. If you like this video, Please give it a like, subscribe, share this with your friends and family so that can help them. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.